My dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum. Today, we will discuss an important topic: is Islam a complete economic system? And what principles does the Islamic economic system provide us with? Let's explore the importance of economics in Islam and its core concepts. Islam, a complete system of life. Firstly, it is essential to remember that Islam is not just an economic system, it is a complete way of life. In Islam, the economy is one facet of life, but Islam as a whole is not solely an economic system like today's economic frameworks, such as capitalism and socialism. When discussing Islamic economic concepts, we must understand that Islam does not make economics the sole purpose of life. The Quran and Sunnah provide essential guidance for human life, from which a strong economic structure can be formed. Priorities in Islamic economics. In the Islamic economy, the first issue is setting priorities. Prioritizing in economics is crucial to determining where and how to use limited resources. For example, if someone has 50 rupees, they must decide whether to spend it on food, clothing, or something else. Similarly, it is essential for a nation to decide in which sectors limited resources should be invested, such as agriculture, industry, or healthcare. Allocation of resources. The second important issue is the allocation of resources. Resources should be allocated efficiently to maximize their benefit. In Islam, it is essential that land and other resources are used for the betterment of humanity. In Islam, resources should be used in a way that benefits everyone, and they should be managed so that no one is left in need. Distribution of income. The third issue, which is a fundamental need in economics, is the fair distribution of income. Islam emphasizes that the income generated from production should be shared justly so that everyone receives a fair reward for their work. For instance, if a laborer works in a factory, their wages should be enough to meet their needs and provide them with a fair reward for their labor. Islamic concept of development. Economic development in Islam is also essential, but Islam's concept of development is different from that in capitalism, where each individual is solely focused on maximizing profits. In the Islamic system, development means focusing on societal welfare and meeting people's basic needs. Islam teaches that the economy should be used in the service of humanity. Only when everyone has access to basic needs can a society truly progress. The difference between capitalism and Islam. In capitalism, the solution to economic problems is to allow everyone the freedom to maximize profits, with the idea that market demand and supply will automatically resolve economic issues. But Islam does not adopt the view of allowing individuals complete freedom to pursue personal desires alone. Instead, Islam seeks a just and balanced system where everyone benefits. A prime example from the life of Maulana Rumi, R.A. The beauty of Islamic economic teachings can be understood from the example of Maulana Rumi, R.A. He compared the world to water and humans to a boat. Just as water benefits the boat if it stays outside, but sinks the boat if it enters, similarly, wealth should not enter one's heart. Islam teaches us to use wealth in life but not make it the center of our existence. Islam places the economy in its rightful place while considering preparation for the hereafter as life's true purpose. Islam's economic system is not solely focused on accumulating wealth, but is grounded in the welfare and betterment of humanity. If we practice Islamic principles, we will establish a just and balanced society and be successful in the hereafter as well. We hope that this has given you a clear understanding of Islamic economics and its principles. In our next video, we will discuss further how capitalism and socialism address these issues. Please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends.